Hello everyone. So this is actually a cards which I was gifted some years back and I have never opened it, and today I'm going to open for you all. So I'm going to see how the day is going to be for you all today. So this is for card 1 and this is for card 2 people. Okay, so card 1 and card 2. So you all can close your eyes and call on the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, the divine to guide you as to which is the card you need to pick for you. I shall give you 2 to 3 seconds for it. Okay, so now this is card 1. Let's see what's coming in card 1. Okay, that's a beautiful card. Harmonic resolution. It says negativity, anger, transmutation. So now if you see the card, it's a beautiful design where you see a lot of red, you see a lot of colors in it. Here it means that there's a lot of disturbance which is happening. Energies are scattered, but if you take care of your emotions, if you have your emotions in control, if you work on them, if you know how to balance it, how to bring in a change in it, then a lot of good changes will happen. Things will go the way it has to go. So here I'm bringing in a closer view. Negativity, anger, remove the negativity, remove the anger which is stopping you from growing, and there will be a lot of changes and transmutation for you for sure. Now I have kept actually another surprise card for you all to see how finances will be today. Okay, there's a divine flow. That's a beautiful card which has come. So everything will be good. For me, the butterfly is something which is catching my eye. So the butterfly is trying to give a message that the fairies, the angels are blessing you, and financially it's going to be really, really good. It's going to be really, really awesome. I would like to give you all a small advice. If you feel there's a lot of anger and emotion related issues which is stopping you from growing, then start carrying a rhodochrosite with you, or start wearing a bracelet of rhodochrosite, because rhodochrosite allows you to remove the anger inside you and to convert it into positive emotional energy. So rhodochrosite will be really, really good. You can also wear a rose quartz, but rhodochrosite is the best. So coming to people who have selected card 2. Okay, that's yet another beautiful card. It says reflective truth. If you see here, identity, self-love, acceptance. But if you see here overall, both the cards are actually giving us almost the same meaning, if you can see here. But here I feel, seeing the green, I feel there's a lot of healing needed here, while compared to the previous card. There anger has to go, but here healing is definitely needed. This is my way of thinking, because the butterflies also are in green color. Maybe you need to evaluate what is happening. Maybe you need to see what is it that you're doing. Maybe you need to work on what situation you are in and how to overcome that situation, how to overcome that issue. When I see here, I feel as if this is me looking at myself to see what has gone wrong and why things have not fallen in my place. And if you see here, it says identity, self-love and acceptance. So here you need to accept yourself the way you are. Let go of everything that is creating an issue. Let go of everything that is troubling you. Self-acceptance that okay, this is what I am and this is how I'm going to be. That's the best thing in life, which will take you forward, which will make you happy in life. So again, for you all also, how the abundance is going to be. Again, see here, it's almost a identical card. It says acceptance. Say yes to the reality. So if you want abundance to come your way, if you want finances to flow your way, if you want everything good to come your way, heal yourself, accept yourself. Understand one thing, this is what you are and no one can change this. So just be the way you are. I would like to give you all a solution here. Wear a ametrin. Ametrin is a combination of amethyst and citrine. If you're not getting an ametrin bracelet, pick up a bracelet which has a combination of amethyst and citrine and start wearing that. A lot of healing will happen and a lot of changes will start coming in your life. So I hope you all enjoyed the reading today. I shall come back again tomorrow with what the cards say as guidance for you. Thank you.